Hey friends, welcome to my channel. How are you all? So today I made my yearly timetable which I'm going to follow to prepare my exams, and today is 21st of March, and I made this plan from April 2021 to April 2022 because I will attempt 2022 wala exam. There are 10 days left in this month, and I directly jump onto the month of April because I wanted to make accurate yearly plan. But definitely I will start my preparation from today itself, and I will start with NCRTs. Of course, I'm not gonna read all the NCRTs. I selected some, and if you guys want to see my yearly plan, yearly timetable, so please be with me till last. So let's get started. So this is my name, Priyanka Chaturvedi, and in the first part, I will finish all my NCRTs. All means I already told you I choose to read, and I choose some NCRTs to read, and apart from that, I'll prepare my half of the optional in this part, and in second part, I will start reading reference or standard books, and another part of my optional. My optional subject is history, and I will also start current affairs in second part of my plan. I will start current affairs from the month of June. I will skip from January 21 to May 21. If you want, you can start from January or from whichever month you like, but I will start from June. This is my strategy. So let me highlight something. So in part 3, what I will do, I will revise all the stuffs. So part 3, we get October, November and December month, and definitely I will revise whatever I read in two parts, like from first part and second part, whichever content I read. Definitely I will revise NCRTs. I will revise my optional. जितना भी मैं कर सकती हूँ रिवाइज उतना मैं रिवाइज करूँगी, and apart from that, I'll start practicing map because this is very important, and I'll start practicing essay. I'll write definitely 2 or 3 essays in a week, and I will revise my standard books, and apart from that, definitely I'll do one more thing. Can you guess that? Yes, of course, I'll start writing answers for the mains, which is very important. I have heard a lot of interviews of toppers, and उनका यही कहना है कि आंसर राइटिंग इज़ वेरी मैंडेटरी. सो आई विल स्टार्ट इन दिस पार्ट ऑफ माई preparation, and this part, like I have to be very productive. I have to increase my study hours to achieve all the goals which I mentioned here, to achieve these things, and definitely I'll do one more thing in this part. Let me highlight, then only I'll tell you. So I'll repeat. I will revise NCRTs, I will revise optional, I will revise my reference books, and I'll purchase one reference book for each subject. मैं कोई library नहीं बनाना चाहती. So, and I will practice map, essay and answer writing, and of course, like as I told you, I have to be productive in these days. So in another part of my preparation, like in part 4, where we get January 2022 and February 2022, 2 months are there, and in these 2 months, what I will do, I will start I will prepare current affairs in part 3 as well. How I forget to mention it earlier, I'm sorry for that. Definitely I'll do current affair. I'll prepare current affair because most of the paper is based on current. So in the part 4, I will practice mock test of any coaching. I have heard I just forget the name of that coaching. That is very good. जब भी मुझे याद आएगा I'll do mention. And I will definitely solve previous year questions and current affairs. And one more thing I will start in this part, that is very 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 important, and that is CSET. Because CSET is very very important. Most of the students avoid it, but it seriously plays an important role. बिकॉज हम अवॉइड कर देते हैं एंड मेन टाइम पर हम प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, जो कि बहुत हार्मफुल हो जाता है. एंड आई विल स्टडी बजट, बिकॉज बजट आ जाता है जनवरी फरवरी तक. सो आई विल स्टार्ट स्टडी बजट, इकोनॉमिक सर्वे एंड करंट अफेयर्स. And if I will get time, I will revise in this part as well. And there are part 5, so let me highlight because it is more visible, you people can see it well. Okay, so now come to the part 5. Okay, I'll writing answers in this part as well, because I'll start answer writing from part 3 and I will continue that in the like till the end. So now in part 5 I will never take, I will not take any new topic in this part, and I will write it also for you guys. So we get March and April, 2 months in the part 5, or you can say phase 5, whatever you want to say. So say no to new topics, because मैंने जितना कर लिया उतना कर लिया इतने टाइम में, एंड आफ्टर दैट I will never take any new topic because it's being very confusing. So it's better to revise whatever I read. So I will do revision and only revision in this part. So apart from that I will do current affairs as well and revise my current affairs too. So this is my yearly plan. I don't know, you will it might be helpful for you guys also, because definitely we take some ideas from others. So if you want to take any idea from my timetable, you can take any idea, and I will do mock test as much as I can give in this part, because mock test also plays an important role. So it makes us prepare for the examinations. So that is why. So this is it, friends. I don't know you like my timetable or not, but I will definitely follow this timetable, because with lot of research, with lot of thinking, with lot of thoughts, I made it for me. And this is it's being very helpful for me, I know that. So friends, this is it for today. Thank you so much. If you like the video, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.